Have you ever noticed that you gain the most clarity when you talk things out? Do you feel like you need to hear yourself before making a decision? Or have you ever had a deep conversation where suddenly everything just made sense? If so, then you might have self projected authority in human design, a unique and rare decision making process that relies on your voice, your self expression, and your identity. Unlike other authorities that rely on gut feelings, emotion, or intuition, self projected authority is about speaking your truth and allowing your voice to reveal your path. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to HPTV channel. I am your host, Barbara, and in my series about human design, we are doing videos on authority. And today, specifically, we are diving deep into self projected authority. We're going to talk about what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to make aligned decisions with confidence and clarity. So, let's get started. Before we dive into self projected authority, let's first understand what authority means in human design. In human design, your authority is your inner decision making process. It is not based on logic or outside opinions or societal expectations. It's really about how your energy is designed to guide you towards the best choices for you. And there are multiple types of authority. And we already talked about the sacral, the emotional, the splenic, and the ego authority. And today we are exploring the self projected authority, the authority that speaks through your voice and your self identity. So, what is then self projected authority? Well, self projected authority means that your truth is found in your voice. Your decisions are best made by speaking your thoughts out loud, not necessarily to get advice, but because your authentic voice holds the answer. So, how does self projected authority work? Well, your words reveal what is right for you. When you talk, you gain clarity on what truly aligns with your identity. And if something feels right, your voice will sound energized and natural. And if something is off, your voice will feel hesitant, forced, or uncertain. The key insight here is that you don't need external validation. You just need to hear yourself to know what is right for you and what isn't. So, who then has this self projected authority? Well, self projected authority is an extremely rare authority and it's only found in one human design type. It is only found in projectors who have a defined G center, which is the center of identity, love, and direction, combined with no defined solar plexus. Emotional authority, no defined sacral authority, and no defined spleen center, splenic authority. Only that unique combination makes for a self projected authority. And this means that if you have self projected authority, you are meant to trust the sound of your own voice, not logic, not gut feelings, not emotional waves. So, how do you know when your self projected authority is speaking? How can you work with this authority? Well, the G center is the core of your identity and direction. It knows where you are meant to go. But the way it communicates is through your voice. So, signs you are using your authority correctly are your voice feels light, it feels natural and excited when something is right. You speak with conviction and confidence when you are aligned. And when something isn't right, your voice feels hesitant or forced or uncertain. So here are some things what not to do. Don't try to think your way to clarity. Your mind does not hold the answer. Don't make decisions in silence. Your truth comes out through spoken words. And don't rush. Sometimes you need multiple conversations to find your answer. The tip here is that the best way to gain clarity is to speak openly and let your voice guide you. And this can be in conversations with other people, it can be in a conversation with a coach, but it can also be in a conversation with yourself. So voice record yourself and have this conversation with yourself or this inner dialogue in your head. That can also be an option. So now let's talk about some of the common struggles of the self-projected authority. Why do some people struggle to trust it? It could be that you are feeling pressure to make logical decisions, and that is because society teaches us to analyze, but your clarity comes through speaking, not overthinking. It could also be that you don't have the right people to talk to, because really you don't need advice. You just need space to express yourself freely. It could also be that you doubt yourself if others don't agree with you. But your truth is yours, it's uniquely yours, and others don't need to understand it for it to be true. It could also be that you are keeping your thoughts inside instead of talking them out. But silence blocks your natural decision making process. You are designed to talk things out, physically speaking them out. So here are a couple of things what not to do. Don't suppress your thoughts. Speak them out. Don't rely on external opinions. Your voice reveals your truth. Don't expect instant clarity. Sometimes you just need time to process. So what are then things to do? Talk things through with trusted people who will just listen to you. Record yourself speaking and listen back. Pay attention to the tone of your voice because it reveals everything. Want to trust your voice more? Try one of the following things. Talk things through with a sounding board. This could be friends, it could be coaches, or even voice recording can help. Ask open-ended questions. So instead of asking, should I do this? Try, how does this feel to me? Also listen to your voice's tone and energy, because your voice holds the truth. Even before your mind catches up, the voice does not lie. And be patient with your process. You may need multiple conversations before your truth fully emerges. So take that time. The key reminder here is that your words will lead you in the right direction. Trust what you say when you feel most yourself. When you honor your self-projected authority, life feels effortless, authentic, and aligned. You stop forcing decisions and you start trusting your natural self-expression. You attract the right opportunities and relationships because you know who you are. You feel confident and clear in your choices without second guessing. And your biggest strength? Letting your voice lead you. It will always guide you to the right path. So, I'm dying to find out. Do you have self-projected authority? Have you, for instance, noticed how speaking out loud helps you to find clarity? Tell me in the comments. When was the last time that you talked things out to give yourself a clear answer? And if you want to dive deeper, then you could either purchase your unique BU by Design blueprint, or you could check out my BU by Design Mastermind. The link for both will be in the description below this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss another video on human design and self-discovery again. My final message for today is trust your voice because it is your guide. Trust it.